Just want to introduce you to Claude Design. Now, I've been working, as you probably know, on this Secure My Emails website. Don't particularly like the design of it, so asked Claude Design to have a go at it. But what's quite cool, I did a sketch of what I thought the logo should look like, and it wasn't doing a particularly good job of sorting it out. But then I discovered there's a thing called tweaks, and you can give it tweaks, and then you can literally just move the design around as you wish. Really clever. And if you say, well, I want this feature, I want the ability to do other stuff, you can then add that. So you can literally play with any component of this design and just tweak it till it's absolutely what you want. So all those times that you've spent with logo designs going, I just want this tweaked here, just maybe this could be here, not be sure. You can just do it in this tool. Really, really clever. You can play with the colors. And it's built all this out for me with the different options. So I can make it exactly what I want. So just thought it's worth playing with. I haven't really experimented that much with Claude Design yet. But the fact it can do these tweaks and come up with options for you, and you can just play with them, really, really clever. It took me a long time to figure out that if you just tell it to do stuff, it doesn't work. But if you tell it, I want to do a tweak X, it'll give you that option. That's it. If you need to know more about AI or are a business leader and want to understand how technology can be used to better your business, do connect with me, do like and subscribe. Have a great day.